This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Johnson Controls model and wiring diagram so you wire correctly. Turn off HVAC power at the circuit breaker and remove the old thermostat cover to expose wires. Make sure you have a screwdriver, mounting screws, a level, and fresh batteries ready. Once done, label each wire with tape and the terminal designation. This prevents miswiring. You're now ready to detach the old base and prepare the wall for the Johnson Controls mounting plate and terminal connections. Now you mount the Johnson Controls base and handle wiring carefully. After leveling the plate, route each labeled wire into its corresponding terminal, R to R, C to C, W to W, Y to Y, G to G, following the model diagram. This is critical for correct control. Tighten terminal screws so wires are snug but not damaged. Once wired, snap the display module onto the base, insert batteries, and restore power at the breaker. Make sure the unit powers on, and the screen shows expected icons before proceeding. Finish by walking through the Johnson Controls setup menu to select system type, single-stage, multi-stage heat pump, then configure heat/cool thresholds and fan behavior. Program your temperature schedule and save settings. This optimizes comfort and efficiency. Test each function. Call for heat, call for cool, and run the fan to confirm proper responses and observe the HVAC equipment. If something fails, check wiring labels, ensure the breaker is on, and verify the 24V common connection. These usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.